Now, let's explore the Shopify Advanced Reports section in StatNexa. From the left navigation panel, click on Shopify Advanced Reports. As the page opens, a pop-up window appears to connect your Shopify accounts. In the pop-up, you get the option to select your connected Shopify accounts from the drop-down list. Right now, no Shopify accounts are connected, so the drop-down list appears empty. To connect your Shopify store accounts first, go to your own Shopify store. Here is the Shopify store that will be used for this tutorial. I have already logged into the store using the same email account that is being used in the application. Now, inside the Shopify store, first search for the StatNexa app in the Shopify App Store. From the Shopify App Store, click on the Statin app. You will be redirected to the app page. Here, click on the Install button. As you click on Install, you will be redirected to your Shopify store where you need to click on Install once again to approve the application. Once the installation process is completed, you will automatically be redirected back to your StatNexa application. This confirms that your Shopify store account has been successfully connected. Now, go back to the Shopify Advanced Reports section. In the pop-up window, click on the drop-down list. This time, the Connected Shopify account will appear in the list. Select the Connected Shopify account and click on OK. As you proceed, the pop-up window disappears and the Shopify Advanced Reports dashboard is displayed. In the dashboard, at the top, you can view key Shopify metrics such as total sales, orders, refunds, and repeat customers. Below that, you get sections for your most liked reports, recent report activities, and the popular integrations connected within the platform. Right now, these metrics are not yet populated with the latest Shopify store data. To fetch the Shopify store data, click on Settings. Here, under the Accounts section, you can view the connected Shopify account details and also replace or change the connected Shopify store from here. Next, under Accounts, click on the Sync option. Here, to fetch and synchronize the latest Shopify store data, click on the Force Sync button. The syncing process will then begin. The syncing may take few seconds. All these resources data are syncing from the store. Once the sync is completed, the dashboard metrics will automatically be populated with the latest store data. Now, in the dashboard, you can see that the metrics are populated with the latest Shopify store data. Next, let's create a report using the Shopify store data. To create a report, click on Create Report. Under it, you get two options: either use preset reports or create a custom report. First, let's start with a preset report. As the Preset Reports option is selected, you are redirected to the Pre-made Reports page. Here, all the Shopify reports are categorized into different sections for easier access and analysis. At the top, you can view categories such as Customer Journey Reports, Customer Reports, Fulfillment Reports, and Inventory Reports. Under each category, you can directly open predefined Shopify reports related to sales, customers, inventory, orders, fulfillment, taxes, and product performance. From here, simply click on any report name to open and analyze the report using your Shopify store data. Here, the Awaiting Fulfillment Orders report is selected. As the report is opened, the page displays a predefined Shopify report with all the related order data already organized into columns and rows. At the top, you can view the report title along with the selected date range for the report data. Beside it, you also get options to add additional columns to the report. All these data shown here is automatically fetched from the connected Shopify store. Here, you can customize the report data based on your preferred time period. At the top, you get 4 tabs: Date Range, Month, Quarter, and Year. Under the Date Range section, you can manually select the from and to dates using the calendar fields. Below that, multiple quick date filters are available. Under the Month tab, you get to select the months and instantly the data changes. Under the Quarter tab, you can select the quarters and view that changes in the table. Once the preferred date range is selected, click on Save the Report Data. Updates instantly. Next, in the table, you can view all the columns that are already added to the report. To add new columns, click on the Add Columns option. In this window, on the left side, you get the complete list of available columns categorized into different sections, such as billing and payment, and more. From here, you can select any column that you want to include in the report. Here, Customer Name column is selected. On the right side, all the currently added columns are displayed. From here, you can drag and reorder the columns to change their position within the report table. As you rearrange the columns, the changes are immediately reflected in the report table. You can also view the reordering of the columns directly within the report table. On the right side of the screen, you get 3 additional options: Filter, Sort, and Export, to further customize and manage the report data. Let's click on the Filter option. A pop-up window appears. At the top, first choose the field or column from the drop-down list on which you want to apply the filter. Beside it, select the conditional operator for the filter from the drop-down list. Below that, enter the required value and select it from the drop-down. Then, click on Save. As the filter is applied, you can immediately view the updated filtered data in the report table. Here, you can also see the applied filter, Net Quantity Less Than 3, displayed below the Date Range section on the left side. Now to apply multiple filters to the report, using the Add Field button, you can add another filter field. You can toggle between the and or logical operators within the filter options. First, choose a new field or column from the drop-down list. Beside it, select the required condition for the filter. Then, below that, enter the value and choose it from the drop-down list. Once all the filter conditions are configured, click on Save to apply the multiple filters to the report. On the left side, you can view all the applied multiple filters listed below the Date Range section. You can also remove the applied filters. Inside the Filter option, remove the required filter condition and click on Save. The report data will be updated accordingly. Next, click on the Sort option. Here, first choose a field or column from the drop-down list on which you want to apply sorting. Beside it, select the sort order, either ascending or descending. You can also add multiple sorting conditions by clicking on the plus button. Below that, you get the option to limit the displayed data to top 10, top 25, and more. Then, click on the Export option. Here, you get 2 options to export the report data, either as an Excel file or as a CSV file. Next, you can also visualize the report data in graphical format. To view the data in graphs, click on the Graph button at the top of the report. Here, to create the graph, first select the data for the x-axis from the drop-down list of categorical columns. Next, for the y-axis, choose the numerical column values from the drop-down list. Then, group the data based on time intervals, such as month, week, day, or year. Finally, to visualize the data in different graph styles, select a graph type from the drop-down list. Here, the bar graph option is selected. From here as well, you can apply filters to customize and analyze the graph data further. In this way, the report allows you to view and analyze your Shopify store data both in table format and in graphical format. After configuring the report, click on Save. Your Shopify report, awaiting fulfillment report, is now successfully generated. Back in the dashboard, you can view the saved report under the All Reports sections. After this, let's create a custom report. From the Create Report button, select the Custom Report option. A pop-up window will appear. In the pop-up, first enter the report name. Here, Inventory Product Report is entered as the report title. Next, enter a short description for the report. Then, click on Next. In the next step, choose the report type on which you want to create the report. Here, the Inventory Report type is selected. Finally, click on the Create button to proceed. In the report page, all the columns related to the Inventory Report type are automatically added to the table. All the data displayed under these columns is directly populated from the connected Shopify store. On the left side, you get the Date Range option, where multiple quick date range selectors are available to view the report data for different time periods, similar to the preset reports. Beside it, you also get the Add Columns option. From here, you can add new columns to the table. On the left, you have columns categorized in column types, and you can rearrange the column positions from the right side panel. As seen previously, on the right side, you get the Filter option. On clicking the Filter option, first choose the required field from the drop-down list. Then, select the condition for the filter from the drop-down menu. Below that, enter the condition value and choose the entered value from the drop-down list. You can also add multiple filter fields to apply advanced filtering conditions. Once done, click on Save, and the data in the table will be filtered accordingly. You can view all the applied filters on the left side below the Date Range section. Next, click on the Sort option. Here, you can sort the table data by selecting a column from the drop-down list and choosing either ascending or descending order. You can also limit the number of rows displayed in the table to 10, 25, 100, and more. Next, click on the Export option. From here, you can export the report table either as an Excel file or in CSV file format. Above it, you also get the Graph option. Here, you can visualize your table data in graphical format as well. First, choose the X-axis categorical value from the drop-down list. Next, for the Y-axis, select the numerical column values. Then, under the Group By option, choose how the data should be grouped, by month, week, or day. Here, the data is grouped by week. Finally, choose the chart type from the drop-down list. Here, the Line Chart option is selected. Here, you also get the option to filter the graph data as well. In this way, within the same report, you can view and analyze both the tabular data and the graphical representation of the data. After configuring the report, click on the Save button at the top, and the custom report will be saved successfully. Going back to the dashboard, you can now view the newly created custom report under the Report section. Now, click on the View All option under the Reports section to view all the created reports in a single table. In this table, you can view the details of each report, including the report information. From the Actions column, you also get the option to delete any report. From this page as well, you can directly create new preset reports or custom reports. After this, in the dashboard, you can also view the popular integrations available within the application. Some of these integrations are already connected, while others are not connected yet. Click on the View All option, and you will be redirected to the Integrations page, where all the available and connected integrations are listed. In this way, using the Shopify Advanced Reports feature in StatNexa, you can connect your Shopify store, analyze store performance more effectively, and manage Shopify analytics from a single, centralized platform.